Okay, let's get back to the market. And one news that is now on the street, at least officially, is that of small cap listed oil maritime services company Japaul PLC has now received, says it has received $350 million in private equity investment from an American-based company by the name Melost. According to sources, the chief executive officer and chief investment officer of this company are currently in Nigeria, meeting with the top executives of Japaul Oil Maritime Services. Japaul was listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange about a dozen years ago via introduction as a company serving oil firms in the Niger Delta, providing what you call the small vessels and tugboats and other ancillary services to the big oil corporations doing the business within the Niger Delta onshore area. That is part of the what the company does. Now, this private equity company from the United States says they are interested in this company, and they're putting that $350 million. We have no idea yet how much shares or percentage of the shares of Japaul will be given to this American investor coming under their own company. Meantime, the shares of Japaul had tumbled over the years down to previous par value of 50 kobo, which the Nigerian Stock Exchange set many years ago for companies' shares not to go below. Now we now see Japaul shares now below that threshold. Yesterday lost 2.78%, down to 36 kobo per share, as investors trade millions of his shares on the latest news. This is the first reported PE direct investing in listed company in the new year. So let's get a bit of a Rotimi Fakayejo's insight into this latest Japaul Maritime Services private equity investing, $350 million. Rotimi Fakayejo is joining us via telephone from Enterprise Stockbrokers in downtown Lagos. Good morning, Rotimi. It's good to have you on the program. Thanks for coming.
Good morning, Boston.
Yes, this, I'm sure you had the news. You're on the market, so you get this before the rest of us. Sometimes Japaul, $350 million from American private equity investors. This is one good news the market can use.
Yes, it is. And I believe that it's definitely going to add a lot of value to investors who believe that it's already lost in Japaul. What's been a new private investor in the market is going to an extent to affect the price of Japaul, presently trading at 3 kobo. But all these things, I believe that even with that in place, if in the future they are still going to get more value with the kind of development into Japaul, I believe strongly that the investors will still have at least this number of years and waiting a little more. I believe they have a lot to do in time to come.
Very quick one. We have about 30 seconds. Can you look into Japaul shares as we speak?
Yes. Today is traded over 5 million shares, and the trading is still continuing, though there are about 27 million shares on offer, but it's being taken up gradually. And I believe that today it might even trade more volume than it traded yesterday.
Yeah, of course. 1.287 million yesterday and 5 million already into today's trading day. We're just about 30 minutes into that as the market opens. Thank you very much, Rotimi Fakayejo, for that early information on what you think about this latest $350 million private equity investing in Japaul Oil Maritime Services Company listed on our market. And that's about all for today. Thank you, everyone, for watching. We're back tomorrow, Wednesday, the 21st. That's all. Thank you. Goodbye from Lagos.